Hello, Ola and Bonjour. I'm Josie and I'm 6 years old. In this lesson, you're going to be learning about how to use variables in Scratch. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to variables. And then after you do that, you want to press make a variable. After you do that, you want to choose the name of your variable. I'm going to name mine score. Then after you press OK. After you do that, you're going to get the change my variable by block. After you're going to click the middle where it says my variables, and then you'll see the name of your variable right here. You click your name that you named your variable, and then you could get this block to press the flag, but I'm just going to press the block. So now let's see what happens. Whoa, when you press that block, it shows it right there. And also you can move it anywhere you want. I'm gonna leave mine there. Oh, that was really cool. I hope you guys know now how to use variables. Bye everybody.